hapon yung tanan guys. Mo ni akong alaga guys. Nangumpra lagi mi. Kuyog sana siya nako. Palit sa kong salmon. Apil po ni siya kuan mo na akong live. Guguyod dito sa iya ha. So let's go. Let's go. Hold it that. And I hold it also. Mo ni akong live guys. Mo ni mo naglaran-laran.
Isa lang?
He wanted but ilagay na lang put it here in the price there. He want to eat so
You want salt?
salt a little bit. I will put it big so a little bit no need salt.
Because it's broken. Because it's in the garage.
Where? Where is the taxi? Where is the taxi?
In the garage.
In the garage. Oh my gosh. In the garage taxi. We are here waiting the taxi. Yummy?
Yeah.
You like egg now, huh?
Yeah.
What did you get?
What's that?
The egg inside. The yellow one.
But I don't want from yellow.
Okay, it's fine. If you wanna eat the white one, you can eat it. See?
No, I don't want yellow.
Mm-hmm. Bite the white one, bite.
I want the white over home.
What?
No, mommy, the over home.
Tomorrow we'll go to Marina Mall because today is night. Marina Mall is closed.
Yeah, mommy, the was cool.
Yeah, tomorrow again.
The mommy, they turned off the light.
Yeah. Kasi pinaramisan because I promised to him to go in the Marina Mall so then he was remind me to no Marina Mall only home. No Marina Mall only home. What did you eat? What? Sige, kauna niya eh. He ate already his egg.
Because I don't see this in football.